Hi, question number 23. The diagram shows a hollow cone of height 10 centimeters. AB is the diameter, C is the vertex, and angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. Using as much of the information given in the table as is necessary, calculate the radius of the circular top. The circular top, the radius is from here to here. So we can put a line up here, make this 90 degrees. This is going to become 30 and 30 degrees. You've got R, that's the radius, which is the opposite to this angle. And then you got this side, which is the adjacent. So we're going to use SOHCAHTOA. Opposite of the adjacent is R, over adjacent is 10. It's equal to tan of 30. In other words, we're saying R is equal to tan of 30 times 10. So 0.58 times 10, because tan of 30 has been given as 0.58. So we got the radius 5.8 centimeters. Now, the second part of this question, diagram 1 shows another hollow cone whose sloping edge is of length t centimeters. The radius of the circular top is R. The cone is cut along its sloping edge. Take a scissor, you cut this off, and then you open it, and it's going to come into the shape of the second diagram. It's cut along its sloping edge and laid flat to form the sector OPQ of a circle of radius t. Alright, and as shown in the diagram 2. Find an expression in terms of R for the length of PQ. This arc length here is the same as this, because if you cut this, you open it, that's going to come like an arc. So this is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Alright, and therefore we're going to say that this is equal to 2 pi t, because r is, 2 pi r, no, just leave it, alright. So we're going to say 2 pi r. It says find an expression in terms of r, so forget the t. So 2 pi r, that's the answer. 2 pi r centimeters. Okay, now moving on. It is given that t is equal to 5r. This is equal to now 5r. And we need to calculate the angle POQ. This angle here. Let the angle be equal to theta. Okay, so how are we going to do this? To find angle POQ. Alright, so let me just do it like this. If you want to find the arc length of PQ, okay, what the arc length is going to be? Arc length is theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. That's the arc length PQ. So PQ, which is 2 pi r, so I can say 2 pi r is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Now, r here is t, 2 pi t. So 2 pi and 2 pi can go out. I got r is equal to theta over 360 times t. And t has been given as 5r. So this is 5r. Right, so the r and the r cross out, and I'm left 5 goes on this side, becomes 1 over 5 is equal to theta over 360, cross multiply, 5 theta is equal to 360, and therefore theta is equal to 360 divided by 5, theta is equal to 72 degrees. Here we are. So that's POQ now. POQ is 72 degrees. Given also that t is equal to root of 40, calculate the area of the sector OPQ, expressing your answer as a multiple of pi. Now the area of a sector is basically theta over 360 times pi r square. Here we got theta as 72 over 360 times pi times r to the square. Now remember, r has been given as the radius here, t, and t is equal to 5r. So 5r and t, well, this is t. Alright, just hang on a second. Pi, that's it, because the radius is t, so t squared. And our t has been given as square root of 40. 1, 5, so 1 over 5 pi root of 40 to the square. And the root of 40 to the square is 40. So go 1 over 5 times pi times 40. Cross this out, you're going to get 8. So we've got 8 pi centimeters square. So the answer is then 8 pi centimeters square. We got to leave answer as a multiple of pi as given in the question. So this is now fully done. There we go. Last question in paper 1 of the June 2001, and that's it.